welcome to KUNOMAIL 2022. In this short video tutorial, I want to show you how you can use your Gmail account in KUNOMAIL since Google has confirmed the new oAuth authentication interface. Now you can use it in your normal KUNOMAIL version. So just for this one, you just have to click on your internet browser. Then you have to log in to your Gmail account and go to the settings. If you're here in the second settings, you go to security. And in the security settings, you have here the possibility to add an app password. Just have to click here. Okay, then you have to type in your password again. And now here, as you can see, I do it once a few hours ago. I do it here for the testing again. You just have to click here, select app, then you have to choose mail, select device, other, custom name. Then you type in KUNOMAIL. I write now KUNOMAIL 02, and here then generate. Now a new window is open and you get an app password for this. You just have to copy this app password, copy and paste. For this I opened the notepad, paste it in here. Then you go to KUNOMAIL, go to managed, email accounts. You can ignore this note here. We will fix it with an update. Now you go to wizard, type in your email address. Go to next. Next again. And now you take your generated password from your account, from your Google account, and paste in this here. You can have a look at your password and then click save. Connection to your account was successfully established. Continue. The account is being prepared. We close this window, and now in KUNOMAIL you have here your Gmail account. Takes a little second. Here are now your emails. Okay, I hope you enjoy the short video tutorial and have a nice day from Berlin, your KUNOMAIL team. Bye.